What's good, y'all? It's Chloe Chantel, and we's back with another one. And in today's video, I'm gonna show y'all how to do your lashes at home in less than like 30 minutes. I think it took me less than 30 minutes. I could be wrong, but it didn't take me that long at all. I just did this real quick because my lashes were looking a hot mess, so I needed to do something and I didn't want to put strips on. So hopefully these stay on all night. If not, then I'm gonna end up putting strips on when I go somewhere tomorrow. But this is the final look. They're not my favorite. I'm not even gonna sit up here and lie to y'all. They're not my favorite. I would prefer them to be longer, or maybe not even longer, but just like the ends. I just feel like the ends aren't thick, so like they look full right in here, but then thin up there. I don't know, maybe y'all can see what I'm talking about. That's not the look I like, but it's what I'm gonna have to like because I was tired of those scarce looking as lashes. So yeah, but let me stop rambling. Before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell to be notified whenever I post the videos. And without further ado, let's get right into this video. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to do my lashes because this just is not cutting it. These lash extensions are just, they need to come off, but I don't know when I'm gonna be able to get them off. So I'm just about to try doing these individual lashes. So I have these Ardell individuals and I have these Kiss individuals. And I did this before, I just haven't did it with these on. I have long and medium and both brands, I think. Yeah, long. Yeah. So I'm just gonna mix them until I like how it comes out. That's really all I do. I think I like the Kiss more just because they're a little thicker. These Ardell ones are like super thin, but I'm just gonna mix them until I like the way it looks. Glue, I use this hair bonding glue because it's stronger than regular lash glue. I haven't tried using like individual lash glue. I think you can use that, but I haven't tried it yet, and that's just all I have. So I just pour some in this little thing. Oh, I dropped the lash. It just comes over the lash pack, and I just dip it in here, hold my lash up, and place it under like that. I have super sensitive eyes, so if my eyes start getting watery or red, that's why. It's really not that hard. You just gotta be patient. Sometimes it won't stick on the first try. You just gotta keep trying. I kind of like to do mine kind of like slanted just to give it like a flare effect, and so it don't look so even, if that makes any sense. You can put them as close together as you want, as far apart as you want. You can stack them on top of each other. You really just applying them to make it fit the look that you're going for. And I'm kind of going for like a flare out and full look. just finished my lashes. Hopefully the fan isn't too loud. It got hot as I don't know what in here, so I had to turn the fan on. But I finished my lashes. This is the final look. Again, it's just something that I just did real quick. It took me like less than 30 minutes, I think. It don't feel like it took me that long at all. So if you just need something to do real quick at home, you don't want to put no strips on, you don't want to go get no lash extensions, then go get you some of these I Envy by Kiss lashes. Hopefully these don't fall off in my sleep, because I do sleep really well. So hopefully these stay on. I do wish that they were longer. I got them, I used like maybe a couple of the mediums just to like layer it, stack them on, whatever. But I mainly use long, so this is the longest that they have. This is the longest I can ever find in a beauty supply store. I don't know if other beauty supply stores and other places have like an extra long or any type of other longer options, but the beauty supply stores that I've been going to, I only see long. So I just had to make do with what I have. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video and found it useful. If y'all did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you can be notified whenever I post videos. And I'll see y'all in my next one.